How to create a vision board in Pinterest. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Again tap on the search bar and type Pinterest. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Pinterest and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Now tap on create at the bottom center of your screen. Now select board. Now enter the title of your board. Now make sure to keep this option disabled and tap on next at the top right corner. Now add your pins, simply tap on the pin icon. Now tap on done at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.